Does the art you're making satisfy your soul's purpose? If you have no idea what your soul's purpose is, but you know you want to be an artist, there are 3 things you must do right now to begin finding your divine alignment and identifying your soul's purpose. Okay, number 1, you need to meditate at least for 5 minutes every night before you go to sleep, asking God for clarity on these things and aspects of your life. What is my divine purpose? And remember what your dreams are. The other thing, number 2, is to journal and play pretend. Expand your imagination into new realms and pretend you are satisfied. Pretend you have everything available to you to create exactly what you want and how you want it to be. The next thing is to watch my video on co-creation. And then you can also, after you do this, understanding co-creation is like so important. You can understand that and your alignment and that connection to creating in that way, in the co-creative way. I want to talk to you. So book a call with me. It's free, and I can help you identify your soul's creative purpose after you do those things, at least for a few days. I would love to talk with you, and I can't wait to hear what your thoughts and creations are.